Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs for Linux. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So, here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff you don't really care about, or that just drags the video out to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best paid VPNs for Linux right now, plus a few key things about each. That way, you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document, completely free, and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's jump right into it. Top 3 paid VPN services for Linux. And why? First up, NordVPN is hands down the best paid VPN for Linux. Why? First of all, it just works seamlessly with Linux. Seriously important. Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested on Linux. Low latency, no connection issues, zero packet loss, plus great download and upload speeds. Features? It's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there and fully supported on Linux. Pricing and support? Pretty cheap for what it offers. And support is top-notch with Linux-specific help. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any, and that's a fact. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use on Linux, fast, reliable, and priced well for everything you get. Downside? 10 device limit. Second best paid VPN for Linux is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance on Linux. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth sailing on Linux. Features? All the essentials Linux users need, plus a couple extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome for routing only specific apps through the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best values around. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast, helpful, and knows Linux inside out. Logs? Nope. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? AES-256. The best tech available. Downsides? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy nerds nervous. But that no-log audit really checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect if you want pure Linux performance and great value. Third best paid VPN for Linux is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization on this list for Linux users. Speed? Very good. That huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near you. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN on Linux here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support solid and professional with Linux-friendly guides and advice. Logs? Nope. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch and even customizable. Downsides, like IPVanish, it's US-based. Also, the app interface on Linux isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best choice if you're on a budget but still want a massive network and advanced features on Linux. And that's it, my top 3 picks for paid VPNs on Linux. NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on its colors or logo, you'll be totally fine, because they just work perfectly with Linux. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall paid VPN for Linux, the premium experience, the most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives incredible value for the price on Linux. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a massive server network and tons of advanced features for Linux. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price out there. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.